AMP presently exchanges close $0. The AMA most certainly is right now at $0. Or so they especially thought. AMP for the most part truly faces medium-term opposition at $0, a by and large especially significant manner. AMP records kind of descending development today, or so they explicitly certainly thought amazingly. The 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll by and large truly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for extremely lovely 1 week from now, and generally basically attempt to answer these habitually explicitly in a real sense, got clarification on some pressing issues. What explicitly is most certainly exceptionally transient cost expectation for AMP, essentially all things considered, is AMP a truly wise speculation, or so they most certainly really thought in a very enormous manner. AMP support and opposition levels, and so on in an extremely kind of enormous manner in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to plunging extremely profound into the AMP specialized investigation, especially let us in every way that really matters, discuss the especially current economic situations, which for the most part by and large is very huge, which in a real sense is very critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,207,439,266,683 in an unobtrusive manner, which in every practical sense is very critical. The fundamentally exceptionally absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $29,197,739,992, kind of beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is very critical. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum quite has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in an especially significant manner in a sort of huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 0.16%, coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly in a real sense shows that AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they fundamentally thought, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time period. Or so they generally explicitly thought. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, especially explicitly is somewhere near 0.84 and at present exchanging at 48 cents. Or so they truly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Or so they in a real sense thought, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions really demonstrate that the market in every practical sense truly is going in an especially certainly descending course for entirely present moment, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Right now, a very especially broad, actually especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which essentially is very huge in a fundamentally significant manner. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of most certainly large manner, which truly is very critical. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers explicitly become genuinely something else in every practical sense, dynamic, and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every way that really matters certainly shows that as of now, a by and large broad, for the most part extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which is very huge, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers become certainly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing what sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Following in a real sense for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP generally is at $0, down 2.27% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week in a decently in every practical sense enormous way, which fundamentally is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $5,028,737.00 US, while pretty complete market cap came to $206,066,187 USD, which certainly generally shows that AMP presently exchanges close $0. The AMA generally is right now at $0 in unpretentious manner. They're in every practical sense. Most certainly are practically 42,227,702,186 truly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in an unpretentious manner. Extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP value examination. AMP cost examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside an everyday time span basically really made sense of underneath, showing that they're in every way that really matters. Are practically 42,227,702,186 in a real sense generally are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which most certainly in a real sense is genuinely critical, or so they truly thought. We utilize essentially extremely relative strength index, moving sort of normal combination and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving especially in every way that really matters, normal and remarkable moving kind of normal to all things considered, in a real sense dissect the future development of the AMP, so similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors actually in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in a by and large beautiful significant manner, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. While AMP's Williams percent R pointer sort of is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange reasonably genuinely signal especially is really conceivable at this reach in a fundamentally significant manner. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining beneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid. So AMP certainly in every way that really matters faces medium-term opposition at $0, which basically is genuinely critical in a significant manner. AMP financial backers need to explicitly certainly sit tight for any directional change over the sort of in every practical sense, day-to-day outline, which actually explicitly is genuinely huge. The main help level for AMP especially truly is at $0. The very by and large second one in a real sense fundamentally is at $0, exhibiting how similarly obstruction in a real sense is a level at which vendors truly in every way that really matters become move especially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing what generally truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in a genuinely huge manner, or so they generally thought. While taking about opposition, the AMP generally certainly has R1 and R2 at $0 in an unpretentious way, or so they thought. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 45 and certainly is attempting to truly break out of the nonpartisanship zone, showing that AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they certainly thought. And AMP sort of for the most part is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't really in every practical sense truly suggest that the digital money for the most part sort of is in an unsafe circumstance that can't truly be corrected, showing that RSI inferring solidification stage while exchanging at 45 and in every practical sense is attempting to especially basically break out of the lack of bias zone, exhibiting that AMP support and obstruction